Hello everybody on that videos. Today I'm gonna oil my tricycle chain oil. So I need three things: a bicycle, two of those or the tricycle, and two of those jack stands, and this here 2-in-1 chain oil. And it's supposed to be cleans, lubricates, and stop rust. Before I begin on this here video, I would like for you to hit the thumbs up, leave a comment if you see it in your heart, to subscribe to the to my YouTube. The people that's viewing this here on Facebook, I ask that you hit the thumbs up and leave a comment on the video itself, because YouTube will not recognize anything that's done on Facebook. Now to begin, I can't turn this here tricycle upside down, so I use these here jacks to go ahead and so I can oil it. So first step is to get these here jacks set up this way, not that high. There we go. Making sure they're even. Nope. One more. One down. There we go. Yeah, they're pretty well even. They're pretty well even. So now just to lift it up and set it up on there. That's the easy part. Now I gotta come around here. And by the way, you should oil it 3 turns and do it slow. So I'm gonna find a starting point. I'm gonna look for the connection, and if you can see it, it's right there, and that's where I'm going to start oiling it. Just let it sit on there, and you turn it slow. You gotta turn it slow. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Didn't see that connector yet. Probably seen it, but I should have got on the other side to do it, but too late now. Okay, here's the connector coming. That's 1 revolution. Yeah, I should have been